Hi everyone, my name is Nitish. So this is my video number 2. I'm going to teach index function. The last video that I have taught you is VLOOKUP with match. So let's see today the index function and how it can be used in our daily reporting. So here is my data. There are different fields like product, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and 4. Yeah. So usually the index function, what it does is it will look up for a particular value in that array, and it will give the intersection of that row and column. Let me teach you for that. Teach for you. Index. Open the bracket, and as per the syntax, it's asking me to select the array. Select the entire array. In order not to move a reference uh, towards down, so just freeze this array. Come on. Next, here my index function is telling me the row number. So the row number is, let's say you want to value 2 for the row number 2, comma, and next is the column number. So let's say I want value in the column number 1. So here what our match does is, in in this array, so whatever array we have selected, it gives the intersection of the row and the column number. So the row number 2 and the column number 1. So the intersection of this row and column will fetch the value. So here we are getting Alice Mutton. So let's go and check. So in this array, the row number 2, comma 1. So this is in this array, the row number is 2, and I want for the column number 1. So this will be my column number 1 in this array, and the row will be this, correct? So here 2 comma 1 intersection is Alice Mutton. So that is the value we are getting here. Let's say change it to column number 2. So here we are getting 2667.6. So this is a value in this array which states the intersection of 2 comma 2. So in this array, second row, this is the second row, correct? And this is the second column in this array. So this is a value we are getting fetched up. Let's say I want value from row number 5 and column number 2. So we are getting 3182.4. Let's go and check. So in this array, the row number 5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? This is my row number 5, correct? And next is row number 2. So row number 5 and row number 2, the intersection of this, the row number and column number 2, row number 5 and column number 2 is this value, correct? And this is the one we are getting fetched up. Let me enlarge this for you. Let's change to column number 3, 5 comma 3. So this is the value you are getting fetched up, correct? So this is how we can use the index function in Excel. One advantage of using index function when we compare to VLOOKUP is VLOOKUP can fetch the data which is towards your vertical side. For an example, if your data is lying towards the left side in an array, if you start interchanging the columns, we will not able to fetch the data. But index has a flexibility of fetching the values uh, either towards the backside in an array or else towards your front side. So that is left and right. So this is why most of every day on my in my reporting work, I will use index function, which will be dynamic and better than VLOOKUP. I hope you have liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will come up with some other uh, formula in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.